Happy glances down the lane, wearing flowers like a mane. Children cheer and petals fly underneath the sunny sky. Through the farm the puppy runs, chasing bees and soaking sun. Leaping high and feels so high, with butterflies right by his side. Puppy found a puddle deep, jumped right in with a joyful leap. Splashed around with muddy glee, happy as a pup can be. In a basket soft and round, puppy snuggles safe and sound. Petals fall and breezes play in the flowers all the day. Sunflowers tall, the path is tight. Puppy's tail wags left and right, sniffing scents and chasing bees. He gets lost with playful ease. Puppy dashed past chicks and hay, feathers flew and ran away. He tumbled into straw so neat, with flowers tangled on his feet. Tulips red and tulips blue, puppy walks where colors grew. Raindrops sparkle, skies are bright, and a rainbow shines its light. Underneath the apple tree, puppy dreams so peacefully.